let's say that I'm a new investor in basically self-storage.
Mhm.
How would I go about finding opportunities for this, and how would I go about how would I go about finding the opportunities? I know that you said that you went direct to owner on that. Is
Correct.
that really
Mhm.
like the best method? Are there brokers that specialize in
Mhm.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all of the above. Certainly there's commercial brokers that are self-storage specific brokers, depending upon the market that you're located in. Certainly in your market, we find that as well from the big folks like Argus and Sperry Van Ness and Marcus and Millichap, Remax Commercial as well. That specialize in self-storage, so we create that relationship with them, and doing the same things that I would do, with you, Jose, which is call you up and tell you what I'm looking for, and say, hey, when you run across something, we're players. We're not tire kickers. If you run across something, give us a look. And, in 48 hours, we'll give you an offer so that you don't have to try to pull together all, put together the offering memorandum and pull together all the books and everything else from the sellers. And if we strike up a deal, then, we'll give you full commission. We don't take anything on this side. So it's always creating relationships with the brokers like yourself. Then on the individual side, we're out doing the same things that you do, which is sending mailers out to the individual owners and saying, hey, when you're ready to sell, give us a call. And try us first before you shop it with a broker. So we're working both sides, and those are the two main ways that we find opportunities. Outside of that, then it's virtual assistants that are combing the internet for the multiple sites out there for small businesses, because many owners, they view their facility as a small business. There are other, do-it-yourself listing sites that people put their facilities on, and just combing the landscape, as well as, driving the market and pulling on doors and going in and talking to the folks behind the counter. Usually there are managers, sometimes they're the owner. So there's really 11 different ways that we use to find facilities and market for facilities. But those are the three main ones that have produced the most results for us.
So essentially 11 different ways. Okay, good.